How's it going, guys? It's Matt Bailey with Park Lane Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC here in Sarnia. And I'm really excited today because I get to walk you around the 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. This vehicle has a lot of really cool features that have historically only been in a lot of our higher end vehicles. So we got a lot to get to, so let's get started. Ready? Yep. All right, let's start with the engine. This vehicle comes equipped with a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder turbo engine that delivers 155 horsepower and 174 foot-pounds of torque. That means it can tow up to 1,000 pounds, and you can tow things like an ATV, a Sea-Doo, a teardrop trailer, and I can't remember the fourth thing I Googled that's 1,000 pounds. So let's keep moving on here. Yep. This vehicle comes equipped with a power programmable hands-free lift gate with logo projection. So you saw there the bow tie on the ground, you just lift your foot up and you could be carrying like 8 bags of groceries and be able to lift your tailgate so that you can throw them in there. Okay, so I didn't remember to bring my golf clubs with me to showcase the size of the trunk because I know that's what everybody wants to see. But I was able to find this stick that's roughly the size of a driver, so squeeze it in there. As you can see, boom, no problem at all. Now let's say it had something a little bit bigger than the stick. You can actually make great use of the space in this car because not only does the second row of seating fold down flat, you can go up here to the passenger side front seat and fold it down flat as well. So really making use of all the space from back to front of this vehicle. Right away when you sit in this vehicle, you're going to notice the attention to detail to all the interior designs with red stitching and red accents everywhere. Even the steering wheel just is an incredibly sporty looking steering wheel. This is all equipped on the RS trim. This vehicle has really great fuel economy. It gets 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers combined, highway and city, which equates to roughly about 34 miles per gallon. All that too is in the all-wheel drive trim. Now you can actually shut the all-wheel drive system off by pressing that button down there, so that in the summertime, when obviously there's not ice and snow on the roads, you can drive it in front-wheel drive. But when you take it to either the trails or on snowy or icy driving conditions, you can turn that all-wheel drive system that keeps you safe. All right, this vehicle comes equipped with a lot of cool safety features. Has blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. It has your lane keep assist, which is that feature when you're driving, if you veer out of your lane, it'll nudge you back in. It'll feel like you're correcting it yourself. It's a really cool feature. As well, it has auto high beams. So when you're driving down a dark country road, it'll automatically put your high beams on and off with traffic, so you don't have to worry about turning them on and off yourself. It'll do it automatically. All right, you can already tell this vehicle looks amazing. It has a lot of cool style features. The 18-inch wheels, it has dual exhaust, the black top roof here combined with the scarlet red exterior really adds to the overall look and aggressiveness of this sporty vehicle. Now the Trailblazer has a lot of really cool available features in the technology package. Features like adaptive cruise control, Amazon Alexa capability, which really opens the door to make our vehicles compatible with your smart home technology, wireless projection, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available wireless charging so that you don't kill your phone battery while using the wireless projection. Also available in that tech package, you're going to get a 7-speaker Bose sound system. Just a lot of amazing features in a package that's only priced at $1895. All right, guys, as you can see, it's getting pretty dark out here, so we got to wrap things up. But if you have any questions about anything we talked about in the vehicle today, please leave them in the comments. We're also going to be linking this vehicle in the video description. So be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to the page because we're going to be bringing you guys some more awesome walk-around videos. Again, I'm Matt Bailey with Park Lane in Sarnia. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you here at the dealership.